Alan Carter is on Skype with us from Cabral Gold. Alan, good to speak with you again.
Hi, Christine.
So Cabral has announced initial results of weathered bedrock from its ongoing drill program at Cuiú Cuiú. What can you tell me that's important about these results?
Christine, the results that we put out recently are extremely important to us for several reasons. First thing is that the Cuiú Cuiú project itself contains 4 known gold deposits currently, with resources approximating to about 1 million ounces. The largest of those deposits is called Central, and the Central deposit currently extends over a 1.2 kilometer strike length. Now, there is a very interesting prospect about 2.5 kilometers to the northwest of Central called Powder Merenda. And Powder Merenda, we've drilled a few holes in there previously and got some very interesting results, including about 48 meters at about 1.8 grams. There's always been a suspicion on our part that that prospect at Powder Merenda could suggest that the actual Central deposit may extend another 2.5 kilometers to the northwest, which would conceivably triple the size of the deposit. However, the soil cover in the area between those two prospects and the Powder Merenda itself is very thick. So we've been the soil cover is so thick that we've been unable to trench there. So we've been doing some auger sampling, which are small, man-portable, motorized, shallow drill rigs, which will drill up to 20 meters and will allow us to get samples below the soil cover into the weathered bedrock, which is called saprolite. So we've been doing a pretty extensive program of that work, and we've got very, very high gold values in those top of bedrock samples, which strongly suggest to us that the mineralized zone at Central, which, as I said, currently extends over 1.2 kilometers, could actually extend over 4 kilometers. And I think perhaps the other very exciting thing for us is that that 4 kilometer long trend is open both to the south and to the north.
So there's room to explore both of those areas. What are your next steps now?
Well, we have results pending on a number of trenches. There are some areas where the soil cover is a little bit thinner. So we are waiting on quite a lot of results from areas where we've done some channel sampling in trenches, and we expect to have those results within the next month.
This is a huge deal, though. It really does extend that resource. You must be very pleased about that.
Well, we still have to confirm it with the diamond drilling work, so that will be the next step. So we're planning later on this year to get some additional drill holes down there, but we're very excited. And of course, these results come hot on the heels of the recent results that we put out a couple of weeks ago regarding the Jeremy and Sema area, which is several kilometers away, where we've got very high-grade results at Jeremy and Sema in channel samples on surface. And now we have 2 new discoveries to the north and east of Jeremy and Sema. And there will be additional results coming out in the next few weeks and months on several other areas. There are quite a lot of different target areas at Cuiú Cuiú, Christine. I think it's worth bearing in mind that Cuiú Cuiú was the largest area of placer gold workings in the Tapajós region. And the Tapajós region is the site of the world's largest gold rush in history. So between 1978 and 1995, from the whole region, there was between 20 and 30 million ounces, which was washed out of the streams here. And Cuiú Cuiú was the largest area. So we think we could be onto a very large gold-bearing system here. There's obviously several deposits here, but we're very excited. We've got gold values in that weathered bedrock from this shallow drilling and this auger drilling that we've been doing up to 18.6 grams. So highly encouraging.
Very good, Alan. Looking forward to hearing more about those results. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Christine.